Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy Wangeshi, and if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome once again. So today this is me doing some laundry. So this is on a Saturday. That's when mostly I do my laundry. So I wanted you guys to see the real me when I'm doing my laundry. Yeah, there's no need to hide anything. Like, it's a raw footage of me doing my laundry. So I don't know about you guys, but as for me, when I'm rinsing my clothes, I use a lot of water. This is not enough for me. Like, I have to wash like 3 times, then rinse 3 times. So after a very long time, I'm done with the washing. Now it's hanging the clothes. And guys, please let me know if you'd like to see more of a day with me. I'd want you to tell me on the comment section, and I would gladly do another video for you guys. So after I was done with my laundry, it was time for me to take my lunch, and for today's lunch was just a simple rice and green grams, and it was very yummy. This is me getting hyped up on a TikTok video. There you have it. I'm done, and I went outside to unhang my clothes, and here I am folding my clothes. I had picked up those that were dry and left others. Yeah, I like hanging my clothes while I'm watching just anything, whether it's on TV or on my phone. Yeah. And this video is not that long, but I'm done, and thank you for watching. Please remember to like the video and subscribe. Bye.